Obes, wahala dey o. Ma play cassette o. Obes, listen o. You know say cassette wey born play na better oyibo man wey come Nigeria wey papa go dey give am kind till they mix with egusi and pounded yam abi eba. I will tell una papa cassette. You don't tell that happen o. Now papa dey react. I don't know say still dey Nigeria since. Now just recently now say I now take post the picture. I will tell una the story. Wetin make I really come to play my cassette Obes. Now Isaac Promise, the Super Eagle player, former Super Eagle player will die. This man die. No one Super Eagle person. Okay, make I say few come. NFF, no one. Not even a call from president. This one a person will represent the country. He was a striker. And we are happy during that period of the Omokashia, Minike, Konde. Rashidi Yekino, I still know a story now. I suffered to die. Oruma. These are men we are celebrating. Why be like that for this country? When I thought a person need to come up for this country to reign, and it to say Antonio Joshua still take this time. Say now for year, how you want to be world champion? No, that's the country. They don't see it from this angle. And entertainment represents them a lot. That aside, how many of our soldiers, make we use people who don't die for inside matter, we die for Boko Haram, some serve their family, one era, their suffering just begin. Now police, we die for duty, instead of them to overcompensate, one oga, if the woman come bad, or show them bad, the oga will come begin, the woman, the money not go see. Why Nigeria is like this? And we are standing to say Nigeria is a great country. It's a great country. But how many people go fit die for the Nigeria? That is the question. Instead, we are killing ourselves. And the youth are not helping issues. Me and you, we are coming out shouting on Instagram. Who wants start the war? Start. So thank God it don't come out now, it don't low. Because they give a condition till low. They will come and say one day, hey bro, this is painful. As the promise just died, they just bury him. Just like that, no one NFF member will say, make a come or call or, or Nigeria celebrate an hero. How many times? Oh, but now say, make I play cassette. How na say, where they shout, say, it's not fair, it's not fair. Nigeria will be better someday. Now, one old woman where they work up pass. My brother, no direct to many graduates, they sell tomatoes, so many they say, nyamo, the country be I get to, don't be deceived, though. As I lean so now, not thinking for my head, though. Oh, but when do you want to start to speak English with me? With tomatoes for ahead. Say, don't say that. Can you, Maleke, die for the country? Can you stand? Me, I know say I know if you die. But I will try my best to project the country called Nigeria. But it's unfair. Now, say, make I bring her come streets. I want to see the cassette. My name is Pope Aleke. It pain me. Oh! Take it.